an example. In exercise number 1, we have the example. I have a new computer. We don't know anything about the computer. It could be any computer. But now we go into the specific. The computer is a laptop. Now we're talking about my specific computer. Okay, so we're going to continue working on these exercises together so you could see the difference between using the article that's indefinite like a or n and using the article the, which is specific. Another thing that you need to remember, if you remember in the rules in Steps to Success, a is used before any noun that starts with a consonant. But if it starts with a vowel, that's when we use the article n, like an orange. Orange starts with O, which is a vowel. Okay, so let's go ahead and start together exercise number 1. Mary has blank jacket. So we could go with a jacket. We don't know any specifics about the jacket just yet. Mary has a jacket. Now we're going to talk specifically about the jacket. The jacket is black. Notice how I needed to capitalize the word the because I am starting a new sentence. So it starts with a capital T. So again, let's review. Mary has a jacket. We don't know which jacket. It could be any jacket. So it's just a jacket. But when we start talking specifically about the jacket, we change it to the. The jacket is black. It makes it more specific because now you're talking about a particular jacket. If I see a closet full of jackets and I am looking for Mary's jacket, I now know I am looking for the jacket that is black. It's more specific. Let's continue with number 2. Sam has a jersey. Sam has a jersey. Now we're going to talk about the jersey, Sam's jersey. So let's begin with the jersey is red. Now we're talking about Sam's specific jersey that is red. Again, if I am looking for a jersey, and there's many colors, jerseys, I know that Sam's jersey will be the red one. So again, let's review number 2. Sam has a jersey. The jersey is red. Another example, if you're looking at many people and you're looking for Sam, you know that Sam has a red jersey. It's more specific. You know exactly which jersey to look for. And then you'll find Sam. Let's go on to number 3. I ordered blank pizza. We don't know what kind of pizza. We don't know what size pizza. So let's use I ordered the article a pizza. I ordered a pizza. Now we're going to talk specifically about the pizza. The large. Again, let's review together. I ordered a pizza. The pizza is large. Let's move on to number 4. I have, now here is an example where we're going to use A or N. Apple is a vowel. It starts with an A, that's a vowel. That means that we're going to use the article N. A, N. I have an apple. It's indefinite because we don't know what kind of apple. Is it a red apple? Is it a green apple? Maybe a yellow apple. We don't know what. So now we're going to talk specifically about the apple. The apple is juicy. Again, let's review. I have an apple. The apple is juicy. Now you're going to continue doing the rest of the exercises in exercise 1. Good luck, and I will see you for exercise 2.